the one day I want to film on my actual camera is the day that it wants to be dead, and I don't have time to charge it because I actually have work to do.
Anyway, apparently everyone wanted me to do a more in-depth makeup tutorial, so that's what I'm gonna do. This is probably going to be a voiceover simply because I don't feel like talking. Well, I do, but I don't. The only reason why I feel like it's gonna be a voiceover because I want to listen to music and I don't want to get copyrighted. Cool. Candy.
25. Instinct.
I'm just gonna underline my brow with concealer.
Like, why is that more arched?
Once I've carved out my brows, I'm just gonna get a wet, well, this is a damp beauty blender, and blend out that concealer. Okay, so once my brows have been carved out and blended, I move on to complexion. I use NARS, and this is the All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation, and I'm in the shade Macao. The reference. I'm gonna do that in like patting but swirling motions at the same time. So I drag the product as well as pat it into my skin. And then whilst I blend that out, I also take just a bit of foundation on my same concealer brush and kind of carve out just the ending of my eyebrow.
25.
Just like that.
Instinct.
And then I continue to blend out the rest of my foundation. Then with a beauty blender, the same one, I just go in and merge everything together. Especially like that part of your brow, you want to really blend it out. Blend it down into your neck as well. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with the concealer. So the same thing I used to outline my underneath my brows. And the trick with concealer, for the best coverage, you want to make sure it sits in your face for about like 3 minutes. So I'm just gonna chill, you know? While I wait for that to dry down and get a bit sticky, I'm gonna go in with GIORGIO Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, and this is in 11.5. And what I like to do is on a small dense brush.
I'm just going to put a bit of this on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to plot that in all the places that I would contour.
And I also put it on the bottom, under the bottom of my lip. And then I'm gonna brush that out with just an angled brush. I got these brushes from Amazon or eBay years ago, literally years ago, and they've held up. And then I'm gonna go back in with my beauty blender and blend out my under eye highlight and the rest of my face. However, I leave the under eyes last.
Andy. 25. Instinct.
And then I use a clean side of my beauty blender just to blend in the contour and the highlight. Don't you just hate when your shuffle's just shit? Like, I don't want to listen to any of this stuff. That's my base. Absolutely gorgeous, if you ask me. You know, not to blow my own trumpet or whatever. I'm gonna set everything with Laura Mercier powder, and this is in translucent.
How would I be remembered? Dying, being legend, will live long enough to see the sentence. Celebrity Jews telling me keep living.
I'm getting my Fenty Beauty bronzer in Coco Naughty. Then I'm gonna go in with Laura Mercier powder again, and this is in dark, I believe. And I'm just gonna carve out my contour. The whole powder and just dropped all over my leg. I would not be happy, I'll tell you that for free.
Scandy. 25. Instinct.
What am I saying? Now I'm gonna brush away the excess powder. I don't even really brush it away, I literally just pat it into my skin. Use the TRINNY London Lip to Cheek. It's this colour, and you can use it on your lips and you can use it on your cheeks. You know, I used to work for this company and this is really good. into my Bobbi Brown Nude on Nude eye palette, and there is a color here called Bone, and I'm gonna just rub my brush into that and dab that under my eyes.
Go back over with my all over face brush just to make sure everything is blended out to the best it could possibly be.
Setting spray. So I'm currently using the NYX matte finish setting spray. So I'm gonna go back into that Nude on Nude palette, and there is a color called Black Chocolate, and I'm gonna take an angled brush. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe palette, and this is the 350M palette. Mine looks like trash. With the orange and just put that all over my lid.
Scandy.
Look, if you're watching these are Little lashes, and I don't know what the name of them are gonna be, I don't know, but these are the lashes. I've never worn them before. They're OTT, but you know me, I love over the top lashes. My shuffle is fucking shit! Annoying me. Apple Music, really? I'm sorry. I'm gonna use Golden Glow from that Nude on Nude palette, and I'm gonna use Hustla Baby. So that is my makeup done and complete. This is literally like an everyday bronze type of look. I don't know what else you want me to say. Like hopefully everyone can stop asking me for a more detailed makeup tutorial now, because here you have it. On me, like, yeah, like I hope you enjoyed. Take it all in. These lashes I'm in love with. Look. I need about
Scandy.
20 more. Like
25.
lashes just take you from that bitch to that bitch. Like you're like, whoa. The fuck? I look good. I look good. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. subscribe.